The production panel in Adobe Premiere Pro is designed to help you manage large-scale projects that involve multiple sequences and team collaboration. Here's what it does. 1. Organize projects. You can create a structured hierarchy of projects within a production. This helps you keep everything organized, especially when working on complex projects with many sequences and assets. 2. Collaborate efficiently. Multiple editors can work on different projects within the same production simultaneously. This facilitates team collaboration and streamlines the workflow. 3. Shared assets. All projects within a production can share assets, making it easier to reuse media across different sequences and projects without duplicating files. 4. Simplify management. The production panel provides a clear overview of all the projects within your production, allowing you to manage and navigate them easily. 5. Enhance performance. Productions are optimized for performance, reducing the load on your system and improving the overall editing experience.